everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first attempt to add to a sort of solo dedicated hair video on this channel. If you guys missed it, in my last vlog I asked if this is something you guys would be interested in, and I thought that I would just give it a try so that you guys can see the way that the videos would work, the way the concept would all come together, and then you guys could decide if that's something that you're interested in. Also, if you're new here, hello, welcome. I have tons and tons and tons of videos on my channel about my curly hair, so there's lots of content there for you to enjoy. I'm assuming that's how you found this video, because you were searching for curly hair content, so go check that out. Lollycat. So today is very exciting because I'm trying a new product, which is sort of the idea of these videos, is that we would try a ton of new products and techniques, stuff like that. So you guys are always telling me new things to try, and today we are trying something very exciting. So I haven't even opened it up yet. Let's go ahead and give her a rip. Oh, and by the way, happy birthday if today is your birthday. Gotta keep that up even if the videos are not vlogs. So what we are trying today is the Denman Brush. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over. I think it's an older product that TikTok gave new life to, as we like to say here on this channel. This is the Denman Brush, and we're gonna be testing this out today. It's supposed to give your hair really amazing curls and ringlets, so I am super intrigued by this. A few things. First of all, it's extremely affordable. I purchased it on Amazon, had 2-day shipping, and Lollycat is distracting me. And I've seen a ton of people using this product. I've watched quite a few YouTube videos about this. So I'm also very intrigued because my curl pattern is naturally very wavy. I'll put in a clip right now so that you can see what I'm talking about. I do have a couple sort of ringlets in my hair, but I'm very intrigued to see how this will work on more wavy hair, since most of the videos that I've seen have sort of created ringlets in people's hair. So I'm not totally sure how that worked, but we're gonna see. So that's sort of the deal, and we're gonna hop in the shower now, and I'm going to walk you through some of the products that I use, how I'm going to be prepping my hair before we dive into trying the Denman Brush. Oh, really quickly, let me say I'm not an expert. In fact, I'm very new to curly hair because I've just been growing out my curls for the first time in 14 years. So I am not a pro. I haven't even locked down exactly everything that I like to do for my hair. My routine is constantly changing. I'm constantly trying new things. Camera battery, of course, died right as I was saying that, but all I was going to say is, so, you know, if it's not what you would do or what you do or what you would recommend, you know, everyone has to do their own thing, and I love reading your recommendations for things that work for you in the comments. So if you have a recommendation based on what I'm about to show you, go for it. I would love to see it. All right, let's go ahead and hop in. Welcome to the shower with me, and this is me realizing that I accidentally kept my jewelry on. Okay, anyway, starting off with shampoo, I use the Shea Moisture Retention shampoo, and I like to double cleanse my hair, and both times I just focus on my scalp. You'll notice the second time it gets a lot more sudsy because my hair is a lot more clean, obviously, the second time that I'm shampooing. Give that a good rinse, and I actually tried out this new hair mask today, which I really liked. I'm going to link it down below, and I just really worked on evenly distributing it throughout my hair, scalp through the ends, and I like to use a mask in my hair every single time I wash my hair. Then I just throw it up in a little bun, and in the meantime I throw a face mask on. I wash my body just to give it time to sort of soak into my hair, and then basically what I like to do is let my hair just fill up with water and then give it a good rinse my mask off, and we're ready to move on to conditioner. I use the matching conditioner to my Shea Moisture set, and what I like to do here again is just evenly distribute the conditioner throughout my hair. I use a pretty large amount here because my hair is super dry naturally, so I like to make sure I'm treating it really well. While I'm rinsing that conditioner out of my hair, I like to finger comb my hair, try to get rid of any knots. I do that while I'm rinsing out the mask as well. And then what I like to do is turn the shower off. Here I am drying off the phone, and wring out all of the extra water that I can. And then I apply more conditioner into my hair and just leave it there. Again, just trying to retain as much moisture in my hair as possible. Work that through, and the last thing I do is just flip my head upside down, give it a good scrunch, and voila, we are complete. Post shower, here we are. Just throwing a big old t-shirt, that way we could just get in there with this. Only thing I did off camera was when I stepped out of the shower, I did just dry off my hair a little bit with a microfiber towel, just squeezed some of the excess liquid out, but that's it. I'm realizing I haven't used a Q-tip yet, which I hate. Oh yeah, it feels so much better. There's one girl in particular whose method I'm sort of gonna follow as best I can. And she sort of started by just making sure that there were no knots in her hair. So that's what I'm gonna do too. I never really brush out my hair. I usually just finger comb in the shower. So this feels very strange, but it actually feels very good. Next what I'm gonna do is put some curl cream in my hair. So I'm gonna be using this Way Curl Cream. Use about this much on both sides, I think. Make sure it's separated. I'm just gonna rake it through and then scrunch up. Just my usual technique. Okay, so here's the drill. Basically the way that this girl did it, which I totally agreed, was that she did not section up her hair or anything. She was like, if I actually like this technique, I want it to be sustainable for me, and having to do a ton of sections or something that's gonna take a really long time, it's just not sustainable, and that's exactly how I am. I like fast, efficient, that really works. So I'm gonna do the same thing. She literally just like put her hair to two sides, and that's how she did it. She started in the back and worked her way forward. And we're just gonna try it. I'm sort of like nervous, guys. What she did is she sort of just grabbed her first chunk of hair here in the back. She brushed it through first to make sure it was totally smooth. Oh man, hold on, I'm not getting, oh no, I'm already struggling. Please keep in mind, this is not a tutorial, it's a test of me trying it for the first time. Okay, there we go. So she sort of just combed it through, and then what she did is she just took it through and started curling it, pulling down. Shoot, hold on, I feel like I'm messing this up. Oh no. Okay, it's a learning curve, it's fine. Okay, here we go again. So we're gonna go like this, make sure it brushes through, and then come in here. Okay, so this one we're twirling away from the face. Okay, all the way down. And then she sort of like scrunched it up. Haha, there we go. This video is not going well. My camera battery died. Now I ran out of space in my card, but we are back. Okay, so I just put this off, that way it wouldn't get mixed in with the other side. This piece is done, so I'm just gonna throw it to the back, and we are going to continue on. The only thing I'm gonna change is the direction that I'm twirling. So that one I did away from my face, so this one I'm gonna go towards my face. That gave this girl a really nice sort of like tousled hair situation, which I was very into. Okay, grab a clump, squish it up, throw it to the back. Okay. And then for these front sections here, I'm only gonna go away from my face because I don't want like the front sections of my hair curling towards my face at all. One side down. Okay, so we are almost done here, but I just thought it's definitely worth noting also that, in case you're unfamiliar, I am growing my hair out for the first time after getting it chemically straightened for many, many years, and it's not fully grown out yet, especially on some of these front top layers. So, you know, we're gonna have to see how it goes with the parts that are still straight, but the large majority of my hair is curly, so we should still be able to, you know, get an idea. But some of these front bits, I think it will be interesting to see how they dry since they are straight. But that's it. There we go. That is the way that we're gonna leave it for now, I think. And I'm going to check back in once my hair is dry and we can see how it dries and then finish styling it a little bit. Very intrigued for this. Okay friends, we're back and the hair is almost completely dry. It like feels dry to the touch, but it's still a little cold, but I thought I would do a little update. I think it's looking pretty good. So this is the straight hair that I was telling you about, so we sort of have to ignore those pieces and move them out of the way so we can get a better idea. But I think this looks pretty damn good. Like, I feel like it made my curls really defined. I mean, look at this. That's like so bouncy curly. I wonder if you guys can really see that. See that? See that nice little bounce it has there? Pretty cute. It's funny seeing the differences. Like, this side of my hair is more wavy and this side of my hair is more ringlets. So the wavy side definitely looks different than the ringlet side, which makes sense because obviously the Denman Brush is sort of trying to make ringlets. So it works a little bit better with the side that has some ringlets. Overall, I feel like this is really good. I'm a fan. I brought this mirror so I can see what the back looks like. Let's see. Oh yeah, pretty cute, you guys. Looks sort of like nice and tousled, which I dig. I definitely think that this has a little bit of a learning curve to it, not only just for the technique, but also like as someone who is still new to curly hair and like learning how to fully embrace it and take care of curly hair. But I'm pretty pleased with the way that these turned out. Like, that's cute. Look at that. I need to be brighter. Let's see. Look at those. That's pretty good. I'm a fan of these little curls. So this is what I'm gonna use in my hair right now. This is from Cake, and this is their Wave Maker spray. It smells amazing. I'm just gonna spray this into my hair here. It literally smells like a delicious cupcake or something. Okay, so it's pretty late here now. It's pretty much time for bed, so we're gonna leave it at this. And I will do a final check-in in the morning because for me, I wash my hair at night. Oh wow, I feel like this mirror is like trippy. I wash my hair at night every time I wash my hair. It's very rare that I would wash my hair not at night. So I definitely want to, you know, judge it based off of what my normal routine would be with washing my hair at night, which would mean that I would need it to still look really good in the morning. So we're going to leave it at this and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day and I thought that I would just pop on and give a final update, final thought on my curls this next morning, how they're looking. So I did just throw my hair half up. That way I could get some of that straight hair out of the way and we could really dive into the curls. So I'm just gonna zoom in really close to my face. We're gonna get up close and personal and we can have a good look at them. Okay, so here we are with my final Denman results and I'm pretty happy with them. So first thing I noticed when I woke up this morning is that it was not looking frizzy, which I absolutely love. It looks really nice. The curls look really defined, which I'm loving. I don't know if it really gave me like ringlet curls, but I also do really think that this is one of those things that I need to practice that a little bit. So maybe we'll do like a follow-up video or a follow-up just in a vlog of me doing it again as I work at the hang of it. But regardless, I really do feel like it created really nice defined curls for me in my hair. It definitely added some little ringlets in, nothing too crazy, but there definitely are like some more defined pieces in here. I think I would be very curious to try this again, sectioning off my hair just a little bit more. I know I said that's not really something that I saw myself doing, but I mean, if that's the only option, then that's the only option, right? But I do think overall that like the curls are looking really nice. I am a big fan of them. Even if I'm not getting ringlets, which I'm not really worried about because that's not what my hair does. Despite having some in my hair, it's not like really my natural curl pattern. I am much more concerned about just making sure that my curls or waves are defined and not frizzy. So if doing that, if taking 10 minutes to do that after the shower can do that for me, then that's all that really matters to me in the end. And there you have it. That's the deal with my curls with the Denman brush. It's obviously my very first time trying it, so I'm very intrigued to see how it comes along as I continue to get a little better at it. But all in all, I'm a fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you at the least found it entertaining, if not also informative. And definitely let me know what other techniques, what other products I should try. I am like on a roll right now with wanting to try new things. I just ordered the supplies that I need to try an apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair, so I'm definitely gonna be trying that. I have another fun hair video planned for next week, so I hope that you guys are into this because I have a couple weeks of content planned for this, so we're gonna try it for a little while, and I hope that you guys are okay with that. Thank you guys for tuning in today though. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Monday for a new vlog.